Isabela City's local government office just endowed City Fire Station with a brand new spanking new and customized pickup/emergency rescue vehicle for beef-up emergency response and fire control purposes. Since 2020, Isabela City LGU has provided close to 78 million pesos in peace and order empowerment and public safety maintenance. PIA Basilan correspondent Nilda de los Reyes has the full report.
To strengthen public safety and emergency response in Isabela City, the Bureau of Fire Protection recently received a brand new emergency rescue vehicle courtesy of the local government unit. The new vehicle, valued at 1,597,225 pesos, was formally turned over by Mayor City Jalya Torabin Hataman to Acting City Fire Marshal Senior Fire Inspector Vincent Toribio in a ceremony held recently. The procurement of the emergency rescue vehicle is part of the Peace and Order and Public Safety Plan for year 2024. A flagship initiative of the local government unit aims to ensuring the safety and welfare of all Isabeleños. With this asset added to the city's fire station, residents can expect faster and more efficient rescue operations. The new vehicle is equipped with the latest emergency response technology, enabling fire personnel to respond quickly and effectively to emergency situations. Isabela City Fire Station, represented by Acting Fire Marshal Toribio, expressed gratitude to the city government for its supports in enhancing public safety in Isabela City. He stressed that the arrival of the new emergency rescue vehicle is a welcome development for their fire station. He expressed that this will enable them to respond more quickly and effectively to emergencies, ensuring the safety and well-being of all those affected. Since 2020 until this year, the city government of Isabela de Basilan has allocated 77,137,962 pesos for peace and order and public safety. From Basilan Province, Nilda de los Reyes of Philippine Information Agency for Balitang Pambansa.